Hi guys, nice to see you again. Yes, wish you have a nice day. Yes, today, yes, we will continue with one of the most important thing uh, that you should check for your car in order to have a good engine. Yes. Uh, yes, it is the ignition timing. Yes, ignition timing can gain your horsepower. Yes, can gain your gas mileage. Yes, and if your ignition timing is too retarded, besides you can lose power, you can make your engine run hotter, and if besides it is hotter because it do not have enough time to burn the air fuel mixture. Yes, so that your engine will run hotter, and this is not good for its life. Yes, and in order to check the ignition timing, I will show you. Yes, some tool. It is very easy. Yes, this is the gun. Yes, we need to use the gun in order to know exactly what is the ignition timing angle. You can see the gun has a light here. Yes, it is the gun here. Okay, I can remember I buy this gun around 30 US dollars. Yes, this is the signal for the gun. Yes, and these are the power. Yes, 12-volt power for your gun. Okay. In order to check the ignition timing, yes, we will arrange 12 millimeter. Yes, for Honda Accord, Honda Civic. Yes, and according to the Honda manual, we can see here. Yes, they said ignition timing for this car is a 1992 Honda Accord. Yes, it is 15. Yes, 15 degree with the variance of 2 degree. Yes, at 800 RPM. You can see here. Now, let's start. Wow, it's raining. It's raining just in time. It's raining just in time. It's raining at this moment. Wow. Yeah. Yes. This Honda H22 A1. You can see second ignition timing here at this point. I will show you. You can see here. Yes, F22 A1. You can see the flywheel through this gate. Yes, you can see this gate. Yes, and you can see TDC mark at this gate, or BTDC before top dead center mark through this gate. Yes, and we will use the gun to check for to mark here. Yes, you can see. Okay, now let's start. Okay. Well, the first thing is that I will open the 3 bolts. 3 12mm points here. here. One, one, two. The distributor is mounted into the engine with 3 bonds. 3 12mm bonds here. Yes. 2 and then 3. Okay. Yes. 3. And then after I remove the bond, I can turn the distributor back and forth. Yes, this is okay. Now I will start the engine and use the gun to check for ignition timing. Yes, and I intend to turn the ignition timing to 15.8 with 2 around 17 degree before TDC. Yes. If your engine is running too advanced ignition timing, it will be better, but your engine will have some difficult when you start the engine. But it runs, it can gain more gas mileage and can gain horsepower. Yeah, and when the engine is retarded, it will lose horsepower. Yes, so I will start the engine and then check. We will check the ignition timing with number 1 piston. This piston. Yes. Okay. Let me check. First time I will start the engine. Yes, it's running good. So good. Okay, next thing is that I will connect the power for the gun. Yes. Positive here, and then negative here. Okay. And next is that. Yeah, this is the signal. I will use the first cylinder. Yeah, is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, the first. This is the first. Okay. The first cylinder, we will use the spark plug for the first cylinder, and you can see we will check the light. Yes, you can see. Yes, I will show you. Yes, you can see the light. Yes, and this light will show you exactly what is your ignition timing. Yes, I will check through this gate. Okay. What is it? Okay, I will turn. turn the distributor. Yeah. Yeah. You can hear the engine change the RPM. Yeah. This is 15. Yes, this is retarded. And I will turn the engine to around 17. Yeah. Around 17. This is it. Yes. This is around 17 degree before TDC. Yes. With this tool, I can identify exactly what is the ignition timing angle. Wow. Correctly. Okay. Let me check it again. Yes. Yes. You can see? Yeah. Okay. Now I will retard the board. Yes, I will retard the 3 bonds up before I retard the 2 others, and I will check it again. Okay, exactly. Okay. 15 degree before the TDC. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Where are you? Oh, rather narrow. This one is narrow. Difficult to access. Yes. Okay, already. Okay, the third one. And return the first one. Okay, already. Let us check it again. Yes, exactly. Is it right? Let me check. Is it right? Okay. Yes. This is the number 1 piston. Okay, already. Done. Yes. With this done, I can identify exactly the ignition timing for my engine is 15 plus 2 degree before TDC. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, the radiator is hot. Okay, now I will check it again. I will stop and then restart the engine. After I have already checked ignition timing for spark plug here. Yeah. Okay, the engine runs smoothly. Yes, and I will show you. It's running great now. Yes, what on I have to check is with this gate. Yeah. Okay, and you can see it's running great, running like a champ. Yes. Okay, with this tune, yes, again with this tune we can check ignition timing for your engine. It will help your engine last longer. You will gain more horsepower, and you will gain your gas mileage. Yes, with this gun and the 12mm range. Yes. Okay. I think that is enough for what I want to do when I check my technician timing. And whenever you want to check your technician timing of your car, you can remember my video as one of the case. Yes, that is what I gonna do when I want to check this. Yes, okay. I think that's enough for this video. Thank you so much for your watching, and see you in the next video. Yeah, thank you so much. Goodbye.